So looking at oil prices this morning, they're in the red, but that's off of a stronger dollar. I want to talk to you about these Houthi rebel attacks, the disruption in the Red Sea, what appears to be an escalation. How should investors view all of this?
I mean, it's a great point that, investors have been brushing aside what has been going on in the Red Sea. And I do feel like there are lots of excuses being given as to there's refinery maintenance coming on, so seasonally crude demand will be lower, or the fact that OPEC has a lot of spare capacity. So if there were to be an outage, they could bring back oil quite quickly. All of those factors are correct. But I think the one thing we shouldn't forget is that imagine just a few years ago, if we were talking about Houthi attacks in the Red Sea, I don't think anybody would say Brent would be sub $80. I think we'd talk about well over $100. So there is still a lack of confidence in trading this market and coming back to this market. Where you are seeing a lot of movement is actually in the physical market. Crude differentials in the physical market, and you can see that in the prices, have been going up quite substantially. Relative value trade, so one crude versus other, that's where a lot of the movement has been. And yeah, look, we are actually, what we are seeing is the Mediterranean in particular potentially will run out of crude in the first half of February because you just can't get vessels there in time. And that's
Right.
quite significant.
I think that is very significant. In fact, I want to talk to you about some news out of Davos. So overnight, the U.S. launching another airstrike against Houthi rebels targeting anti-ship ballistic missile sites. The Biden administration maintains the group is being backed by Iran. But speaking exclusively with our Dan Murphy at Davos today, Iran's foreign minister is just completely disputing that claim. Amrita, I want you to listen to this. I want to get your reaction.
The people of Yemen and other countries in the region who defend the Palestinian people are acting according to their own experience and through their own interests, and they are not receiving any order of instructions from us. Maritime and waterway security is of paramount importance to us because we trade and export oil.
So again, Amrita, overnight, U.S. launching another airstrike. At the same time, the Iranian foreign minister denying any involvement with the Houthi rebels. What's your take?
Look, it almost doesn't matter where the involvement is or from whom, right? The reality is that right now, on both sides, ships have just stalled, and no company is really willing to take the risk of crossing the Red Sea. And I think that's where by the way, we do expect US and UK attacks to continue, but we also don't think that's going to deter the Houthis from stopping the attacks. And I think that's exactly why companies are either diverting ships via the Cape of Good Hope, that adds about 15 to 20 days to come to Europe, or they've just stalled, just hoping that there is a resolution.
So you're speaking to some of the supply chain challenges due to these attacks. Amin Nasser, the CEO of Saudi Aramco, also spoke at Davos this morning on the Red Sea crisis. He says in the short term, tanker availability shouldn't be a problem, but it could turn into a big problem long term. Your reaction to those comments?
Yes. Absolutely agree. And I think this is one of the things, like in the short term, people do have some storage. They can always draw that down. But if you think about it, we've already blocked up Russian oil. Rather than going to Europe, which was 2 to 3 day voyage time, it's going all the way to Asia now. India is about 30 days or even further. So you're tying up vessels for longer. At the same time, now what you're doing is from the Middle East, you're again going to take 15, 20 days. So much longer routes taken by vessels, which suddenly means there's a shortage of ships available because they're tied up for longer.
Yeah, tied up for longer. And I just want to add one more. I'm not going to ask you to respond, but the Mayor CEO in Davos saying he believes the Red Sea disruption will last several more months. I think the last question we have to ask you before we let you go, where do you see oil heading? You mentioned it's sub $80. I think a lot of people would have been surprised several years ago after Houthi attacks that it's sub 80. In 2024, where do you see oil going?
Look, I still think prices will average in the mid-80s this year, but I don't think that's going to happen in Q1 because sentiment is still very weak, and seasonally, we've got maintenance coming up. I think it's really from the summer onwards that we see oil prices heading higher.